Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to make a classic beef burger recipe with homemade fries. Let's get started. For the burgers, we'll need ground beef, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. For the homemade fries, we'll need potatoes, salt, and vegetable oil. Let's begin by peeling and cutting the potatoes into thin strips. After that, soak them in cold water for 30 minutes. While the potatoes are soaking, let's prepare the burger patties. Mix the ground beef, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce in a bowl. Then, shape the mixture into burger patties. Next, let's preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, drain the potatoes and dry them with a paper towel. Spread them on a baking sheet, drizzle some vegetable oil, and sprinkle salt. Toss them to coat evenly and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through. While the fries are baking, let's cook the burgers. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add some vegetable oil. Cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, it's time to assemble the burgers. Place the patties on buns, and add your favorite toppings such as lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and cheese. Serve with the homemade fries on the side. There you have it, a classic beef burger recipe with homemade fries. Perfect for a weekend lunch or dinner. Thanks for watching and see you next time.